Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here and I'm at the mall with Joey and we're looking for his shoes because we got him some Huaraches and he didn't want them. So we returned them and now he's trying to get...
Guys, I got Raina Huaraches too and they're
then
pink
I don't
and
want
she
them
doesn't
anymore.
want them either. So we're going to return hers. Not today though because we didn't bring hers. We just got Joey's. And now he's looking for some other shoes.
And I don't know what shoes he's looking for, so this is like a, not a vlog, but...
I think we should. Alright.
So let's... So let's get started. Stop. Why is he so big? Joey wants these.
No, he doesn't. Right?
Yeah, he does. I want these.
Joey
Yeah,
wants those, but he
yeah.
can't wear those to school. So.
If you wear them. Shoot.
Oh my god, guys, I don't know what they're doing. So we came to this mall to get Joey shoes.
Ew. Shoot, why are you doing that?
And this is what they're doing inside the middle of the mall. This is so...
Stop being bad.
Alright guys, now we're at Zumiez. And I think we're gonna get some Vans for Joey, right?
I don't think Joey looks good in pants.
You've never even seen him in
I
Vans.
know, but I think... I found him.
Okay,
I
show
found
me
him.
him. You like those?
Us.
Raina.
It was just a distraction so I could watch it.
Guys, so we're looking at this. I don't know what they're doing, but look at this store we found. It's all like slime and stuff.
That's so
That's my
cute. Look, they got BTS stuff here. My friend is obsessed with BTS. Her name's Mika and Leilani. They both are. And Amia, they all are.
Look at all the slime stuff they have, though. And I've never seen this stuff at the mall.
Me neither. I want to feel it.
We haven't been here in a long time. And they got Daiso
This
Play.
looks like, you know how like slime stores are? This looks like it's a slime shop.
Like somebody's slime shop.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know though.
It probably is. Look it up on Instagram. Bella Slimers.
Look, there's jams.
Raina, what is that?
Oh my gosh, these Orbeez are crushed.
It smells good right now.
Oh, it does. Silk mud. This is probably cloud slime. I don't know.
Ask them if this is somebody's shop.
It probably is. And this is gonna, I want to buy some of these. And they have Flombies, they have Daiso Play. They've never seen Daiso Play in stores like this. I want to buy some. I've never had Daiso Play.
I just told you on the other side they had
Look at
Daiso
these
Play.
squishies.
Those are pretty big.
And then this Orbeez Crush Ball, the Orbeez are crushed, so.
They have some cute stuff though. Look at that.
Record on camera, record on camera.
Adora would want this.
But Bella, go follow them on Instagram, tell them I sent you. And they started a YouTube, so look them up on YouTube and Instagram.
They look so cool. I don't know if those are homemade too. But this has clay and some beads in here.
And they even, like here, they got the Daiso Play, the instant snow, they have everything.
She said they
Except
have
for the
everything
glue.
to make slime except glue.
So they don't get deals on that. But that's a cool place. I'm gonna come back and buy some. And if you guys wanna buy some, like they have like a Instagram slime shop in store. It's here at Mill Mall, so come and support them and buy some of their slime. It's left the store that had the slimes in it, and they gave me a deal. I had 3 slimes, and I said, how many can you give me for 20? Because I only had 20 right now. And they gave me some free stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And they even gave me a Daiso Play, and I'm like, oh. So thank you so much, and I'm gonna follow them on Instagram right now, and I'm gonna do a video on these soon. So let me show you guys what I gave me. I don't really know the names, but look at how cute their little sticker is for their little logo, and it's Bella Slimes. And right now, she gave me a Daiso Play. She gave me some little activators too. She said they might need to be activated, and these are the activators. She gave me 2. And the little puppy's cute. Oh, so this is like an instant snow cloud slime. This is a foam slime. It has little foam beads, and it's like a light pink. There's this green one. It's also foam beads. And this one's a bigger one. I don't know how many ounces this is. Probably like, I don't know, like 6 ounces maybe. There's this light pink one. And then there's also this yellow one with foam beads in it. She gave me, so I bought 3. And she gave me the extra ones like as gifts or whatever. So I'm so thankful for that because I don't even know. She gave me a few. Some reviews when I get home. So thank you so much if you're watching this. There's that. So I definitely recommend come to Mill Mall. and come check out their little like indoor slime shop. They also have it on Instagram if you do not like live in Arizona by Mill Mall. You don't know where that is. But these are so cute, especially little activators too. So thank you. And then let me show you the little card. It's like dark in here. They're about to close, but this is the little Instagram sign, like their little Instagram. So go follow them. And their card is super cute. It's like little tiny puppies, like a little puppy on it, and it says slime tips on there.
And you come to Mill Mall. The slime shop is right here by Legoland. There's Raina, and then there's the slime shop right there. It's called Toy. Well, it's right there. Toy Rush Store, I think.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I don't know if that video was long or not. So yeah, so don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you all next time.